Good morning, TikTok and TikTokers. So it's Saturday morning and I'm in Manila. Ang pangit kayo, purahin mo yan.
Because you're like help.
Eat breakfast first. Dati walang laman tong Ayala Mall eh, dito. Kaya yan meron na. So yes. Saan si Ed?
Papunta na pamunta na. Mabalik na yun dito. Because there's like ice cream stuff.
I need to dye my hair. Oh my gosh. I need to buy hair color, my lotion, my...
How did you gonna send me the pictures?
I will, don't worry. Because last night I was kind of sleepy. I'm not in the mood, you know. But I'm gonna send it to you. Which one do you want me to send you? Or all of it? Oh my God, that's a lot.
I know, right?
Why don't you just take my phone and send it to yourself? Okay, later. Okay? Oh my God, I'm too old. My white hair is showing already. I didn't have much sleep last night, and I have to wake up around 6 a.m. and shower. Katie, where are you going? Finding Nemo. So yeah. August 1st na, no, Kim? Oh my gosh, it's already August. And it's gonna be September, October, November. OMG! I wish I have date on my birthday. No. Hindi ako makakape na Zumba today. Gosh. But if we will gonna be home early, I will go run to my Zumba. I want to go Zumba. So yeah, we will gonna have seafoods buffet. Seafoods. I love it. I love seafoods, gosh. And the lechon. And the roast beef. Yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Ed, meron ba ditong bilihan ng medicine? Ah, Ay, bibili kong ano eh.
Ang gusto mong medicine?
Eh di ano pa.
Anong drugs gusto mo?
Gusto ko mag-drugs.
Ato,
Gamot ko.
Zayak ba to?
Di ba ang bigyan lang ng kapit?
Hindi, sa iba yun.
Ang sa iba yun.
May binayaran na ako.
Your extra of the year.
May binayaran na ako.
Ako kilala, Mark. Kasi kumukas na bukas na yung mall kanina to.
Hayaan nyo lang. Aga-aga pa. Halika na. Lakad-lakad na tayo.
Pwede ba? 10 o'clock ata po eh.
Ay, hindi pa ba?
Hindi pa nga.
Ano oras na ba?
9:50. 10 minutes.
Ay, shucks.
reservation tayo, di ba? Sa kabilang side. So, kailangan talaga maaga tayo.
Pwede na ata eh.
Pwede na yata.
Ay, kasi
Eh, ba, yan o, pumasok na eh. Pwede na.
kasi mga staff.
Ay, oo, baka stop sila.
Hindi rin. Down.
Mukha ba stop yan eh?
Down.
Yan. Sinene.
Are you sure?
Hindi yung kapitbahay ko doon na hindi yung ano yan eh.
So, yeah. It smells good. Oh my God, it smells Europe.
Ako yun.
Hindi, yung coffee.
Ako ba?
Ganyan ang amoy sa Europe eh, yung amoy coffee. Wherever I go.
Naamoy din sa hira yung bed.
Ganun ba?
Nainggit. Pero talaga.
Teka nga, magpapabango. Alam mo, kaysa ka mainggit, gawin mo na. Ay, gawin mo na lang.
Ganda naman yung pen shop.
Ano? Gago? Ano yan? Estee Lauder yan. Estee Lauder yan. Ay, o, diba? Tsura. Tsura ng Gucci mo.
Bunig yung bush.
Binuni ang Gucci niya.
Alcohol naman yan, Maricel.
Excuse me, amoy banyo to.
May Johnson's powder yan ah.
Ayoko na nga. Amoy bulaklak ako eh.
Amoy banyo to, hello.
Amoy ano kayo.
Ilang beses ko na may
Oh, yung candy nyo kunin nyo.
Sorry na rin. Amoy
Punta pa kayo dito kay Billy.
Bango ko. Pang ano to, pang beng-bangat. Beng-banga amoy. Papabili ko medicine kit for my blood pressure. So, before I eat a lot, I'm ready. My body is ready. My body can take it. Right? Ed, nasaan? I don't wanna. I need to ano. Ah, there you go. The WhatsApp. Mga 10 minutes na lang yan. Kasi, 10 tayo dito, 10 minutes. Ay, hindi, 6 minutes na lang. Kim, 6 minutes na lang. Kasi ang layo nung ano, pupuntahan natin.
Kakamiss yun no, Savory.
Mami, 11 pa mag-
Hindi, 10 ang bukas ng mga ganito.
Mami, 11.